Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show. Hey, about time for one of those. This is the show where I eat stuff spicy that you might not want to try yourself, and I'll let you know about it. I also promise you that I'm not going to jump up and down like an ignoramus while I do this. It's just kind of silly, and I see people doing reaction videos on YouTube. I can't stand it. I do it kind of... I'm more old school when it comes to YouTube. Anyways, today we've got Maruchan Fiery Yakisoba, and it's spicy beef flavor Japanese home-style noodles. I added an egg, some ground beef, which was a battle at the butcher block at the store, some scallions, some sesame seed. I'm going to push those over to the side and mainly concentrate on the noodle. And, yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. In lieu of having children here, I can't get them to give me a ready, set, go. So, I'll do it myself, ready, set, go. So, I'm going to say at the outset, this is incredibly salty. Like, this is saltier than I really can understand why they would make. I've recently reviewed a ton of these, and they're pretty good. This one, though, it's just beyond salty. I don't know why. What it also kind of reminds me of is their new chili cheese flavor, except it's got a lot of heat and it's even saltier. The heat, I believe, is derived from habanero pepper. That's listed in the ingredients. I'm tapping out. Not from the heat, granted, it is spicy, but from the saltiness. It's just so dang salty. I'm going to have to look up and see how much sodium's in this. It really surprises me because, granted, instant noodles and stuff like this generally are salty. They're cheap, they're salty, they're flavorful. But this one, wow. My mouth is burning. For the heat, it's got a heat to it. The beef flavor, though, there's a little like a hint of cumin in there. And then there's a lot of like habanero, I guess, derived flavor. You kind of would... It's kind of hard to tell if it's habanero or like habanero pepper extract, like a capsicum oleoresin kind of thing. But it just doesn't work for me. It needs... I don't know what, but... it's just not working for me, and I don't feel like putting all this in my gut. So yeah, sorry. But this mukbang is officially being canceled due to saltiness. That's not my usual thing. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And like and subscribe if you choose to. And if you don't, that makes you a bad person. Have a good one. Bye-bye.